Good morning, everybody. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Sticks in Charge, everybody. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. You guys, this morning I am on fire. Guys, this morning I have a natural high. Well, I always have a natural high, everybody. Guys, I got an e-file on the client tax return this morning. I did it last night. Sorry. Whoops. Guys, I'm feeling, oh my God. It's gonna be a good day. A good day. Sorry, y'all. I gotta fire up the machine that makes money. That makes me some money. How are you guys doing this morning? I hope you guys are doing very well. Let me let this queue up. Here we go. You guys, I love this laptop. This laptop is fast. I am gonna buy another laptop for my YouTube channel, everybody. Haven't done it yet. But, oh, sorry, I'll put you back down. But I am gonna, actually, while I'm standing up, I am gonna do it. Whew, my head itching. You guys, you just don't know. Let me log in right now. Take care of this. Guys, life is so good for me. And if you're going through something dark in your life, pray over it, get over it. If you can't get over it, get some counseling, everybody. I always talk about that kind of stuff. And the reason why you all are like this, my life was not always good. So when your life did not used to be good and is good now, of course, I have something to compare it to. You know, it brought me through a difficult and challenging time in my life. And I'm just riding the waves, everybody. Riding the waves. I feel good. I'm in good health. So that right there is enough for me to say, wake up singing hallelujah in the morning time. In the morning time. Wake up singing hallelujah in the morning time. In the morning time. Wake up, oh, in the morning, in the morning time, the morning, in the morning. You guys, one day, oh, by the way, that song is called Morning Time by Tremaine Hawkins. It's a gospel song. You guys, I was playing that song one day with a glass of wine in my hand, doing a snake and playing that gospel song in here and getting my life at happy hour. Now, you know, I was wrong. Actually, I don't think that's wrong. I wasn't drunk. I was enjoying life, you all. And guys, today is Friday, so you know today I'm having happy hour once I get off work. I just signed into my work laptop. And guys, I'm telling you, get out that bed, shake a leg. Let me get this TV going. Oh, by the way, the time is 6:21 a.m. So let me go back here and take care of this one item for my client. So let's log in right now. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm just on cloud 9 right now. It's the best place to be in life, everybody. Be in a place in your life where you can actually say you're happy. So I'm very thankful and blessed. So let's file return. Okay. I'm gonna e-file right now. So my client's tax return is e-filed, everybody. So let me send them a copy of their return. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. I have to look into that later. So the return is eval. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna share it with them. So I just shared the return with them. So let's generate my invoice so that I can get paid. So let's go back over here and do invoices. Create invoice. And then put my client's name in here. Whoops. There we go. And then the service date is today. Okay. Put my fee in here, you all. And the invoice is sent. So that's a done deal. So, yep, so that's done. Oh yeah, so let me go back to my program, everybody. So let me see, I have customers who starting to upload their stuff in my program. So that's a good thing. Okay. So that's not ready yet for me to start. Let's see. Let's come out of here. All right, so that part is done. So let's turn the lights off because I'll come back here later. So guys, oh, sorry. Let me get to getting with my full-time job and I will hit you guys back later, all right? Remember, wake up singing hallelujah in the morning time, in the morning. I'm gonna play the song during happy hour this evening, but I'll hit you guys back later, all right? Bye. Guys, the birds, look at this crap. Birds all over my backyard. See this? It's so many birds in my backyard flying in the sky. But I want the birds to be here so that when these, what you call it? Cicadas come up in the spring, they can have their Thanksgiving feast. So let the birds stay here, eat those bugs up. I can't stand those bugs. Guys, look at this. Do you all see what I'm looking at? Guys, look at the birds. It's so many birds in my backyard. Somebody's playing a bad Halloween joke on me, or maybe I'm a joke. Guys, these birds. Oh my God, guys, look. My backyard was full of birds. There's nothing dead in my backyard, everybody. I think what it is because of the moisture, the worms are coming up, and the birds are eating the worms. Let me show you all something, hold on. Do you all see the little vent right there? There's a mother bird that keeps pecking at that thing, trying to get into my house. Because you all, several years ago, I had a bird in my vent in my powder bathroom. So this is my library, right here, that's my library. I'm in my kitchen. So that vent right there, you see the cover on the left-hand side of the screen, birds got in there and formed a nest. I called the company to come out and clean it out. They cleaned it out. And the plastic that's up there now is stronger. The birds can't peck through it. But every so often, I sit in my library because I'm doing taxes now. I can hear something up there. I'm like, what's in my house now? It's a bird trying to get back in the vent, but she can't or he can't. Well, I don't know what they do. They can't get to it. A damn bird just got up there and stopped pecking again. I'm going to get it. Let me stay quiet. You guys, birds will do so much damage to your home. If you are a homeowner, I want you to, hold on, let me call my neighbor. Let me call my neighbor. You guys, I keep telling you I got a nasty mouth. I'm gonna call her. So this bird is really trying to get in my house, but it can't because it's too strong. And guys, the birds, this is full of birds. Full of birds. I mean, I'm seeing so many birds up in the air.
Your call has been forwarded
Okay.
to voicemail.
She put a voicemail.
You're trying to reach is not available.
So, yeah, so I'm gonna leave it up so y'all can see it. All right. That bird, you can't get in my house. This house is covered. But I'm gonna get the bird. This bird, you all, has been pecking at that thing. Oh, I thought it was a bird right there. It's a shadow. I said, nope, we're not doing that. But it's so many birds. There's nothing dead in my backyard. It's just that all of a sudden, it just started happening in my house. I know it's dark. I'm sorry. I don't know why, but it looks like they all gone now. We'll see. Everybody, what's up? It's me. I'm grabbing lunch right now. You guys, I got flip-flop shoes on. I look like a freaking bum, and guess what? I don't care. So I'm gonna go ahead and order my sandwich. I'll hit you guys back when I leave. It's called Jersey Mike's. Hello, sorry. Hello, everybody. This is day 2 of this vlog. I just got through sending my client their tax return for review so that they can let me know. Where's this phone belong to, everybody? Maybe it's upstairs. So let me know we're not going to e-file their return it. Let me push the door up. Sorry, you all. Guys, I'm doing laundry. Okay, laundry's about to stop. So let me grab... belongs upstairs. Sorry, guys. So, guys, it's cloudy here. It's today. Today is Saturday, February 9th. I'm doing laundry, tax returns, work for the full-time job. But it's all good. Guys, you know I like being busy. So, guys, hold on for one quick second. Let me put my towels in the washer, put my sheets in a dryer, and then put some clean sheets in my bed, and then I'll be back, all right? All right, bye. Hey, guys, what's up? It's your boy Sticks in Charge, you guys. You guys, I got one more load of clothes to do, laundry-wise. And then I got to do my, sorry, it's dark in here. Then I got to do my, wash some other stuff. But for the most part, everything is done. So what I did is 4:23 p.m., you guys. Let me get some water. So I had a shower and everything. Guys, I'm so busy today. Of course, I'm cleaning everybody. You guys, I ordered Chinese food because, guys, I have a lot of stuff to do. A lot. So I said, let me order Chinese food. I was going to cook today, but I don't have time to cook. Oh, hold on. I don't have time to cook, everybody. This is the rest of my dark clothes. This is my last load. Guys, I done washed my sheets, towels, fold and put those up. Now I'm doing my white clothes. And then once that come out the washer, I'm gonna put those in the dryer. And then I'm gonna put my dark clothes in the washer. That way tomorrow, for Zen Sunday, you all, I'm not gonna have too much to do. So, at a busy day today, I'm on a minor break. So, hope you guys are having a great Saturday. And if you're not having a great Saturday, remember, you are what you make it. Your life is what you make it. So make the best of it. Get out that bed, shake a leg, and enjoy life. I'm doing housework because next weekend is going to be a hectic weekend, everybody. But I'm determined to start my housework today so that tomorrow it's not as bad. So I'm going to check in with you all a little later, okay? So be blessed, shake a leg, and be productive and get out that bed. But I'll be back. Okay, guys, I know it's dark. I'm running downstairs. I just got through brushing my teeth to pour me some water. I want to drink some water tonight. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just poured me a glass of water. Now I'm headed back upstairs to my bedroom, you all. Guys, I had a productive day. Sorry, I know it's dark. Sorry. I had a productive day, you all. Guys, life is so good. So what I'm gonna do here is watch some TV and edit a video so that so that there be some content for you all to look at tomorrow. So I'm definitely gonna do that. And guys, I'm out of breath. Walking up and down on steps, you all, it's no joke. So I got my last load of clothes in the washer. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna end this vlog here. And then once I end this vlog, I'm gonna get on my hands and knees and say a prayer, for the world, my family, myself, other people. And then I'm gonna edit the video tonight that's going to be released tomorrow morning for you guys. And that way, tomorrow is Sunday, I can film my Zen Sunday video tomorrow and have that released for you guys on Monday. I do have a full day tomorrow because I'm doing stuff at a full-time job, tax stuff, of course, and I'm also cleaning my house, which is why I'm doing my laundry now so that I can get that out the way. So, enough of that. I want to say thank you guys for watching my channel, supporting me, sharing my videos, commenting, give me some thumbs up. I really, really, really appreciate the engagement that we have with one another. Please continue that. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Because I do like interacting with my viewers and subscribers. So in the meantime and in between time, mind your own damn business. Keep folk out your business and stop all this damn gossiping, not good, not cute. You all be blessed on this Saturday, and I wish you a phenomenal weekend. So I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.